What's going on, future Spanish speaker? It's David with EquipYou.Fun, and I wanted to just hop on here really quickly before you jump into your lesson video and say thanks so much for checking out our YouTube channel. If you're interested in more free content like this, I need you to do two things for me. Number one, hit the like button below this video. It helps us with the algorithm. And then number two, hit the subscribe button so that you can stay up to date with free, awesome content like this that we're posting all the time. If you want to go a little bit deeper in your Spanish learning journey, then I want to encourage you to visit EquipYou.Fun or click the link in the description below, and you can have access to the entire course with some awesome extras. All right, go ahead and enjoy this video.
In this lesson, you will be learning all about dates. You will learn how to say what the date is. La fecha. That means the date. You will also learn some simple words dealing with days, such as today, tomorrow, and yesterday. You will also learn the names of the days of the week, such as Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, as well as the months in the year, January, February, March. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to tell us when your birthday is.